Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best shower heads that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Pudday shower head high pressure with 4 modes. This budget-friendly option provides strong water flow and features a 360 degrees rotating nozzle that resists clogs, making it ideal for hassle-free maintenance. Its removable design allows you to switch between different flow modes, catering to various needs, from gentle mixed flow to powerful pressurized streams. The minimalist aesthetic in a vibrant blue finish makes it a sleek addition to your bathroom. The build quality is surprisingly solid for its price point, with premium ABS plastic and a multi-layer baked paint finish that resists wear, scratches, and corrosion. However, while the design is lightweight and functional, some users may find it less durable in the long term compared to higher-priced options. Performance-wise, the pressurized flow is decent for daily showers, but the smaller size and limited features make it less versatile than other models on this list. With an easy installation process, it's perfect for renters or those looking for a quick upgrade. If you're on a tight budget and need a basic handheld shower head, this is worth considering. The main downside is the lower customer rating, which reflects limited durability and fewer advanced features. At number 4, we have the SR Sunrise Filtered Shower Head with handheld. This model is a fantastic choice for anyone dealing with hard water or looking for a healthier shower experience. Equipped with a powerful filter layer, it removes chlorine, heavy metals, and other contaminants, promoting better skin and hair health. The 9 spray modes offer incredible versatility, ranging from full rain to massage settings, and even a high-pressure power wash mode for cleaning your bathroom or pets. The design is modern and polished, featuring high-quality ABS construction and a 71-inch long hose for added flexibility. The self-cleaning silicone nozzles prevent grime buildup, ensuring consistent performance over time. Installation is quick and straightforward, making it suitable for both renters and homeowners. In terms of performance, the high-pressure system delivers an excellent showering experience even in low-pressure conditions. While the filtration system is effective, the water-saving flow rate of 1.75 GPM may be slightly underwhelming for those who prefer stronger water pressure. Overall, this showerhead offers a great balance of filtration, versatility, and affordability, making it ideal for families or anyone looking to improve their shower quality without breaking the bank. Coming in at number 3 is the Bozebo high-pressure rain shower head with handheld spray combo. This dual shower head setup is perfect for users who want both luxury and functionality. The large 12-inch Rainfall shower head provides full-body water coverage for a spa-like experience, while the 10-spray handheld shower head offers versatility with settings like mist, massage, and eco-spray. The patented magnetic docking system securely holds the handheld unit, ensuring convenience and durability. The build quality is top-notch, featuring polished ABS material and a sturdy design that includes anti-clog nozzles and powerful massage jets. With 274 spray nozzles and 4 massage jets, this shower head delivers a consistent high-pressure stream for relaxing showers. It's also equipped with dual functionality, allowing you to use the Rainfall and handheld shower heads simultaneously, a feature that adds convenience while conserving water. While its performance and design are exceptional, the higher flow rate of 2.5 GPM may not suit those looking for water-saving options. Installation is easy, and the package includes everything you need. This is an excellent choice for buyers who want premium features and a stunning design without venturing into the luxury price range. However, its heavier weight may require a sturdier shower arm for optimal stability. At number 2, we have the SparkPod high-pressure rain shower head. This model combines luxury and affordability, delivering a high-pressure rainfall experience that transforms your daily showers into a spa-like retreat. With 90 easy-to-clean rubber jets, it ensures consistent water flow and prevents limescale buildup, making it a low-maintenance option for long-term use. The polished chrome finish gives it a sleek, modern look that complements any bathroom decor. Installation is a breeze, taking less than 5 minutes without the need for tools. SparkPod includes Teflon tape and an additional water filter for seamless setup, making it ideal for DIY enthusiasts. The showerhead has a water-saving flow rate of 1.8 GPM, which means you can enjoy extended hot showers without worrying about your water bill. Performance-wise, the SparkPod excels at delivering even water distribution with a gentle yet invigorating pressure. However, it offers only one spray setting, which may limit its versatility for users who prefer multiple options. This showerhead is perfect for those who value simplicity, reliability, and energy savings. While it may not have advanced features like filtration or handheld functionality, it remains one of the best fixed showerheads in its price range. Finally, at number 1, we have the Jolie filtered showerhead, the ultimate luxury showerhead for skincare and haircare enthusiasts. This clinically proven showerhead is designed to reduce hair shedding and improve skin health by removing chlorine, heavy metals, and other contaminants. Trusted by dermatologists and backed by lab-tested results, Jolie is an investment in your beauty routine. With over 80% of users reporting reduced hair shedding and improved hair manageability, the brushed steel finish and soft-touch faceplate exude premium quality, making it a stylish addition to any bathroom. The proprietary KDF55 and calcium sulfite filtration system ensure the cleanest water possible, far exceeding industry standards. Installation is straightforward, but keep in mind that it may not fit custom plumbing setups. While the Jolie is undeniably expensive, its performance and health benefits justify the price for those who prioritize skincare and hair care. The water pressure is maintained beautifully, and the filtration system is clog-free, ensuring consistent results. The downside is the higher upfront cost and the need for regular filter replacements. But if you're looking for the best in class, the Jolie filtered showerhead is unmatched. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.